The 5th come down beat. Not really coming down, still kind of up, but I'm still about to kill it. Alright.
Wait for the drops.
Yep. Yep.
You know, this Mikey and Gabe Freeman and John Hossman, we all do this shit just for fun.
Look.
Hit it, Gabe.
Alright.
Tell them.
Solo.
G shit, mixtape.
Yep.
Swamp Man.
Shit, that's the drop soon.
Swamp Man.
Done?
Here we go. We blessed like
All
Alright, ready, Swamp Man? Hit it, bro.
Alright.
Hit it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Coming in like checking, niggas getting checked in. Nigga at the back of the line, but I'm staying on my grind. Got a bitch in my lap and a bitch sitting on my face at the same time. And I'm snorting lines, nigga, while I'm fucking killing it. Making fucking millions. We've been fucking doing this shit, blended in like chameleons since we was children. Killing shit, rolling up the blunts at school, at the playground. Nigga, fuck with me, I don't even play around. Cause class is in session, about to teach y'all a lesson. And I got my finger on the motherfucking Smith & Wesson. And I'm blasting, nigga, starting when my big homie gets out. Nigga, carry Kodak, this is a fucking shout out. Nigga, what the fuck you bout? I'm about to wild out. Nigga, hit the shit until it cracks back. Just kidding, I can't even do that no more. Nigga, cause sometimes I be peeking out my motherfucking door. Walking down the corridor, walking out my 4-door Cadillac with a fat sack and a fresh snapback. And I got a fine bitch in my fucking lap and a bottle of Hennessy in my fucking hand and a couple shots of Jack. And I'm coming back, nigga, spitting rhymes and spitting bits of crack every fucking track, nigga. And I'm killing it right now with my motherfucking nigga. And I'm all up on this bitch in 1-800. I deliver dick so big that I'm only hitting liver. And I make the fucking pussy quiver, nigga. But his phone's about to die, no lie. I don't give a fuck, but if it dies while I'm recording, it's about to be like a homicide.
That's my nigga Swamp Man right there, you know. Okay, and my nigga Mikey, nigga, Frog Lace coming in. Okay, so you ready? Get ready.
Call me Mikey B Black, aka Mike Dougie. Now my nigga Gabe fucking Freeman just killed this beat. Now I'ma kill this shit like a fucking flea. Like I'm biting, giving you fucking rabies. Like I might be a maybe to a question mark. Like I'm fucking unknown, smoking on that fucking strong. Go dick long like a fucking cheeks bong. Like cheating fucking chong. And I go so strong, cold. Oh shit, wanna call me Stone Cold Austin. Call me fucking Hulk Hogan. Call me Chief Keith. Bang bang. I let my chain hang and I'm riding with Macman. Shout out to T.I. I will say some other names, but I can't cuss the West man. Call them fucking feds and that shit is dead. Cause we killing police all 24/7 in fucking Seattle. Call that shit 260. But I'm in the 360. Nigga, I shop at Walmart. Shoot you up at South Park. Pull you from the BART. Then I go roof, working, nigga. Cause I be motherfucking jerking. And I be six flat fucking banging. YM fucking bangers. Like I'm hanging up my clothes on my hangers. Like I got a walk-in closet. That shit is some rich shit. Nigga, I'm on the Space Needle. On that high shit. High in the sky. Can't reach me with a antenna. I'm fucking Hannah Montana to a Miley Cyrus. Oh shit, I got a virus, call it a walking disease when I'm fucking touchable. Cause I have fucking cuties. Call me Swag Daddy and I go like Krabby Patties and I go like she like my fucking Dougie. Give me 5 fucking hands cause I go like Prancer. Yeah, I'm a dancer. Pull down your fucking pants so I can slap your ass with the bottom of my hands.
Killer freestyle.
Okay. Here's my niggas. Alright. So y'all just heard that. Y'all just heard that. Can't take it back. Alright. That's gonna be part of your life forever now. Alright. Love it, nigga. Or you know what, you're gonna get fucked up.